being where you're supposed to be, practicing accountability, and making others around you better. Those are skills that college students will apply in their lives and careers, and they can sharpen those leadership abilities as part of the Pride Marching Band. As a member of the Marine Corps Band at Quantico, I learned so much about discipline, teamwork, and character. I aim to pass on those lessons to my students every day. My research centers on those tenets. How can we use the lessons music teaches us to help students be better musically, physically, and emotionally by season's end? We don't do this work because it's easy. We do it because it's what we love to do. The Marine Corps has a manual called Principles of Marine Corps Leadership. When I started teaching, I went through that book, found every mention of Marine, and replaced it with the word band. Discipline, teamwork, and character are universal skills that today's students need to learn. My team and I expect Pride Band students to have positive attitudes and set the right example for their fellow band members. In other words, we maintain a strong chain of command and empower students with the skills they need to be accountable and become leaders in their communities. This program has experienced decades of success, and the city of Springfield, as well as the university, expects greatness from these students. Since I took over as director of athletic bands in 2016, I've aimed to keep that tradition alive, all while keeping an eye on the future of the Pride Band. Our students can now access sheet music and drill charts on their mobile devices, which has greatly affected our abilities. With Ultimate Drill Book, my students can interact with live field coordinates, access optimal pathways to their next spot, and link sheet music to their drill, all from their phones or tablets. The Pride was also one of the few marching bands that performed in the fall of 2020, which gave our students an opportunity to grow when so many other universities completely shut things down that year. That's just what Pride Band members do: continue to show up, excel, and entertain thousands of fans every year. Our approach may change, but we'll always take pride in our marching tradition.